guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a soft glam Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Now Valentine's Day is just like 2 days away, but I'm so excited. Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays of all time. Ever since I was a young little girl, doesn't matter if I have a Valentine or not, I love Valentine's Day. I wanted to do something that was soft, simple, and something that you guys could easily recreate because this is a drugstore friendly video. I'm mainly going to be using the Morphe palette on my eyes and then a bunch of drugstore products. So this is a super affordable makeup look that you guys can recreate. And also, if you guys don't really care for Valentine's Day, you can still recreate this look for any other occasion, whether it's you going to the grocery store or you're going to una fiesta, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna quit talking your head off because I know you guys just want to see the look. So if you guys want to stay here and watch how I created this, then please go ahead and do so. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the SuperStay 24-hour foundation by Maybelline. So we're just gonna dot this, and I cleaned my beauty blender, well, my Morphe sponge yesterday or like 2 days ago, and I'm just about to ruin it again. And it's really good coverage, as you guys saw. If you guys want to watch my review, I will have it linked in this video so that you guys can go check it out to see like my full in-depth thoughts on this Maybelline foundation. Okay, so now that we have our foundation on, we're going to move on to our eyes. So for eyes, I'm actually really excited about this palette. It's another drugstore type of priced item, if you will. It's the Morphe 24G palette. It looks like this. And the colors are really screaming Valentine's Day to me. I mean, look at this. This is just a really pretty type of concept. So I'm gonna start off with this pink shade right here, super pigmented, BTW, like that's bright. And I'm just going to apply it like right here on the crease. And you just want to use a little bit of it, and then you want to start diffusing it with your Ardell Tools brush. This is my small tapered blending 783. I like it because it has a little point, so you're able to really diffuse out that color exactly where you want it. And then we're going to go in and soften the pink up by taking this brown shade right here. So I'm going to soften those two together. And then we're going to go back in and take the pink shade and just put it on right here specifically. And we're just going to take the pink and the brown and just intertwine the colors together because, like I mentioned, I don't want it to be like a huge pop of pink, but I still want it to be like some pink in there. And then take that brown and really make it pop. And then I'm just taking my Ardell Tools brush and really blending out those two colors. You want them to be as diffused as possible, just because you don't want there to be any harshness, like that. And then we are going to be taking the color that's going to go on our first half of our lid, and we're going to be taking this color, which, let's see what shade it is. That is Glazed, and we're just going to be popping it right there. And just take it a little bit higher than your crease fold so that it doesn't fold in, because sometimes shimmers can get really messy if you decide not to cut the crease with concealer. So what I've learned to do whenever I'm lazy and I don't want to cut the crease and I just want something quick is I just bring it higher. Wow, that like needed no introduction, and I didn't even put any MAC Fix Plus or anything. So that's really pretty. Yes. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Ah, I like this. I like the softness of it. I feel like that's what this look is all about, the soft glam. We're not even gonna do a wing liner. We're just literally going to put some just regular liner, some lashes, or you can go without lashes and it'll look phenomenal. Trust me. We got ourselves a nice little look here, and you literally just needed 3 shades. So I went ahead and completed the other eye. I also applied some eyeliner. We're not doing a full wing. We're just doing eyeliner so that when we bond our lashes to our eyes, it doesn't look weird or like their skin showing. So really quickly, I am gonna go back into the 24G palette. And we're gonna fill in our brows with this. I don't have a brow product that I really love from the drugstore. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this brown shade and my brow pencil by Sephora. And we are just going to fill in our brows. And I find that sometimes when I just fill in my brows with a little bit of powder, it's better because it gives you more of that like natural effect. Because you know, sometimes pomade can be very structured and defined. I feel like sometimes the more like messy you are and just like carefree with it is when the brows like turn out a little bit better. Now I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lashes. I'm just using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, if I can open this. And we are going to coat these babies so that they are as black as the falsies that we're about to use. And like, you know, if you guys have long lashes, be my guest. Do not wear falsies. Appreciate those beautiful lashes. I just don't have lashes. So I really prefer to just put on some lashes and really make my look pop. So I'm gonna be taking the Studio Effects Ardell Demi Wispies, and I really like these. These are the Demi Wispies, but they're layered lashes, so they have a little bit more volume than the regular Demi Wispies. Can we just talk about how bomb these lashes look? These are some fierce lashes. Oh my God, I didn't think Ardell could do this, but they did it. These look really, really like really dramatic, and they're really affordable. I think they were like $5.99, which is pretty affordable for a drugstore. And you guys can see the huge difference, like my little tiny lashes and then my volume lashes. Something else I like about Ardell lashes is that they're so lightweight and the band is just so thin that it honestly feels like you have no lash on. And now we're gonna go in with our concealer. So here's the story. I actually purchased the Colourpop concealer, and this is in the shade 30. So we're just going to apply that right there. This is the Colourpop. It does feel really nice and creamy, but we'll see how this blends out. But just be mindful that I know the Colourpop may be a little light because I ordered it online and I suck at shade matching myself clearly when it comes to concealer. So I'll probably end up ordering some more of the Colourpop ones because they are not expensive and this formula feels really nice. It feels lightweight. It doesn't feel too thick, but it's also very creamy. And now to set, we're gonna be taking our air spun powder. If you guys haven't tried air spun powder, you need to. It is amazing. It is by Coty. They sell it at Walmart for like legit $5. So I don't know about you, but you should take your ass to Walmart today and purchase some air spun powder. And while you're at it, if you're single, purchase some chocolates. They're affordable there, like super affordable. If you're in a relationship and you still haven't gotten your man or girlfriend a present or a card, then go there. They have like $2 huge cards that are super cute. So you still have time, just letting you know. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and briefly highlight the face. Down here. And then a little bit on my nose. It's really creamy. Like, I really like how creamy it is. I can do the creaminess. And it blends really easy, unlike the Makeup Revolution. That stuff was rough. And now we're gonna be taking our Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. You guys know that this is like the best bronzer ever from the drugstore. I definitely need to get another one soon because we've hit pan. And for this, I'm just gonna be taking my KKW Beauty contour brush. I really like how it's angled. I actually use this quite a lot to just go ahead and bronze up. I just really like the way this brush is, and I also feel like it's really soft. I wish that she would just come out with the brushes sold separately so I don't have to have like this dual end thing. It's just kind of annoying for me. I like when I can put on some bronzer and really bring the look to life. Then we're gonna be taking our Kylie Cosmetics brush. I don't know why, but I bought that like brush set that was sold like maybe like 2 years ago, or like, yeah, maybe 2 years ago, or like a year and a half ago. It's not the one from like the expensive ass brushes. No, this is from like the little $36 brush that she had. But I really love this brush. It's the only brush I use of hers. But I really love this brush to kind of just give myself a little snatched nose contour from time to time. So I use this a lot. And then we are going to go ahead and highlight. And for highlighter, what do we want to use? Oh, there's so many beautiful options. Okay, I think I'm going to use 2 options. I'm going to go ahead and use my Colourpop loose powder. I was about to say liquid powder. Loose powder, and then my Physicians Formula butter highlighter. So first we're going to go in with the butter highlight in Champagne. And we're going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting brush number A23, and we're just gonna apply that right there like I taught you guys. You don't want to drag it up. I've noticed, for me at least, I prefer to just literally go like that right here, as opposed to streaking it up like a line. And then we're gonna take our Colourpop loose highlighter. Every time I wear this highlighter, I swear people ask me what I'm wearing, so that's why I always include it in my description box. But this is the Au Revoir loose highlighter, and you're about to see. Yep, that's what it does. It gives you some serious bang. So for the lower lash line, I really recommend you using the Morphe M508. It is the best brush to smoke out the lower lash line without giving you that like nasty, yucky, like straight line. It smokes it out so beautifully that this is like my ride or die. And we're just gonna pop it right here, just to kind of add dimension. Because yes, we use the pink shade at the top, but we mixed it with some brown. But at the bottom, you definitely want to have fun with it and just do something a little bit more Valentine's Day looking-ish. I also want to say I've actually been doing some looks these past few days that I'm going to be posting on my Instagram, which is The Mexican Beauty. You should totally follow me on Instagram. I am starting back with my really fun makeup posts. And they're going to be a lot more dramatic than this. I'm telling you that right now. And I've been using a lot of like pink, purple, like just really bright Valentine's Day colors for those looks. And let me just tell you, pink stains. Like I used the Huda Beauty pink in here, and the next day when I woke up and went to the gym, I was like, damn, I still have pink on my eye. Right now while I was applying this pink, I'm like, oh my god, hopefully this doesn't like stain. But this pop of pink really brought out the eyes. Okay, so we're almost done. The last really cool thing for the eye that I want to show you is this cool trick that I learned from Rocio Ceja. She is this amazing, talented, Latina, beautiful makeup artist, and she's extremely talented. I've gained so much knowledge that she has taught through her snap tutorials that she always does. They're incredible. She also has a channel here on YouTube, which I will link down below so you can go check it out. But she has this technique that she does with stars, and she's also been incorporating them the past few days for like Valentine's Day looks, using little hearts. So what she does is she goes to Hobby Lobby and she purchases these type of stickers, and then she goes ahead and she applies it like right there, kind of like in the inner tear duct. So it worked the last time I did it, but I was using like a bright pink color. So now we're just using highlighter, so I'm praying that this will work just as well. But what she does is she goes over it like this. Really stamps it. We're not going to be leaving that sticker on, just FYI. So if you guys thought that it was just a sticker and that's it, no, that's not what we're going to do. We're going to press down because we basically want to create an imprint. You don't have to do this if you feel like it's way too dramatic for you or you don't have stickers or anything like that. I just wanted to really add kind of like a cool like Valentine's Day effect to it, and I also just love her artistry. So I wanted to show you guys this in case you haven't heard of her, but if you haven't, you need to go check her out like right now. Take your finger or your tweezers, if you have nails like me, and you're just gonna peel it off. And you can see, do you see? I hope you can see it. Oh my God, if you can't see it, I'm gonna be so heartbroken. But it creates the heart, like right in there. It creates a really, really cool heart effect. I'm hoping you guys can see it. If not, this is really sad. But it creates a cool heart effect, and I just feel like it's so adorable. If you want to, you can also go ahead and fill it in with a different color so that it really gives you that effect, or you can just leave it like that so that when you're turned to the side, you can see the little hearts. So you have options. So I'm gonna do the lip that I did in my Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics video, which was like this pink, and this is actually Charm by Kylie Cosmetics. It is one of her velvet shades, which I really love. It's like the soft pink. There we go. I feel like if I would have gone with a bright pink, or like even like patina, which I wanted to kind of do, it would have been a little too much for the look. So I was like, let me just go in with this soft pink. And the cool thing about Charm is that it is a velvet, so it's not going to be like super matte and super drying. And then I've been really into putting this gloss on top. This is a MAC Cosmetics gloss. This is the Taraji P Henson Viva Glam lip gloss, and it is in this gorgeous bronzy shade. I remember when I went looking for this was like the last one, and I was like, let me take it. Let me just take it. And this is going to kind of neutralize the look a little bit more and add like a little bit of warmth to the lip. And there you go, it like just neutralized the look completely. I am living for this lip and for the eye. I think the eye looks fantabulous. So that's all. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this, like I just said 1,000 times. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys very soon for a brand new video.